everyone, how we doing? It is the 24th of May. I know it's been a while and that, but just had so much going on with school. We've got mocks next month, so progress will be a bit slow for a little while. But yeah, so today we've got nothing to do tonight, so we're going to go and go to the garage and fit this clutch housing onto the engine, and hopefully get the engine steady mount and the wok back on. I painted the boot of the Mini as well, and that looks proper good, so I'll try and get some pictures as well. But yeah, let's take it to the garage and see what happens. Right, so the camera's died that was filming everything, but I've managed to get the housing in and painted it up, and quite a few other bits have happened, so I'll just show you around. So you've got the boot painted and the parcel shelf, and I'm quite pleased with that. But I've also got the whole inside painted, which I don't think it looks too bad, to be fair. I'm very happy with it. The bins look good. It just looks so nice. Come to the engine bay. Put this backing plate in. Cylinder, got a red subframe, limiter valve, just painted it the wok. Just got problems with this, I haven't got the right bolts for that, but apart from that it does look a bit of a beast at the moment, which I'm very happy about. Hopefully getting some primer on this week, but the main thing is to get that started. Which I'm missing a few bits and pieces and things, but I'll talk to you about that in a minute. Because of the year it is, it's got blanking plate that goes on here, which I've painted over here, and got that finished. So yeah, things are really starting to come together. And yeah, it just looks so good. Right, so yeah, I'm sorry it hasn't been much in this episode, but it's just little bits. But yeah, it is looking good finally. I can see it coming, hopefully getting some primer on the whole car this week, but we'll see. But the aim at the moment is to try and get the engine started, but the problem I've got is all the wiring is an absolute nightmare, and I don't know where anything goes. So if anyone wants to give me some advice on the wiring loom, that'd be appreciated. Just message me or something with some pictures, because I don't know where anything goes. What else we got going on? Yes, we're up to that. And yeah, so I'm just desperate to get it on the road now. So if anyone has any parts laying about that they can't use but would like to donate them, then feel free. You've seen what I've got, but everything else I don't have. Rear brakes, handbrake cable and all that's going in soon as well. Got the road height just about ready. We need some alloy wheels, but we can't afford them. So it's just sat on these steels. Tracking's still out as well, but we're not worried. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I know it's only been short, but I'd really appreciate it if any of you wants to donate parts. I'll just take pictures of it on the car and everything, and I'll mention you in all the videos. Or if you don't want that and want to donate like some money to the fund, my GoFundMe page is in the description, which you don't have to do, but it'd be always nice when people do and spend it on parts you need and bits. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Check out the description for social media and bits like that. But yeah, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.